In this video, we're going to go through 3 of my favorite things you can do with the Remove Duplicates add-on. By default, when performing a search, the add-on will search in all the columns currently available in the active sheet. Now, what happens if you only wanted to search in a specific set of columns? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this demo sheet containing some random data we've got open here, I want to find all duplicate first names and highlight them. So let's select all the data. We already have duplicates selected. We now want to create a custom column selection. So let's ensure we deselect all and just select the first name. We want to highlight the results and click search. And it's that easy. With custom column selections, you can truly control exactly how your search is performed. Keyword search has to be my favorite feature by far. Have you ever needed to quickly highlight all rows that contain a certain word? Well, you're in luck. Now, in this demo, what we want to do is clean up this spreadsheet by extracting out all the emails that contain Google in their domain and place these in a new sheet. Now, if you're to do this manually, this could take a long time, but thankfully not so with our add-on. So with all the data selected, we want to search for a keyword. In this instance, Google. We want to ensure that we're searching in the email column. So that's the select all, choose email, save that. Instead of highlight, we want to move to a new sheet. And then finally, in the configure section, we want to untick match whole word because we want to match any word that contains the word Google. Hit search. Excellent. Now, let's say I want to also extract all the Amazon emails, but this time I want to merge them with this new Google email sheet I've got here. Not a problem. Back into our sheet, ensure everything's still selected. We're still on keyword, so that's great, but this time type in Yahoo. We're already searching in the email column, so that's fine. But this time, instead of moving to a new sheet, we want to append to a new sheet. And here in the new pop-up is the sheet we want to append to. If you don't see this new pop-up, you can just hit this reload icon and it should appear. Click search. 5 rows appended. And now if we just look down here to the bottom, we should see the Yahoo emails. Finally, this last feature is very useful, but it does require knowledge of regular expressions. So check out the description below for links to where you can find out more. Now, to demo just how powerful this feature is, we're going to perform another email cleanup on this sheet, but this time we want to extract all emails that contain the word IBM in their domain and all emails that end in .gov. And this will all be performed in just one action. So if we select all the data, and in the search for operation, change this to regex. And now I'm going to paste in a regular expression I've already created. We're already searching in the email column, so that's fine. And this time we want to move to a new sheet. Click search. And here's the results. And as you can see, all of these are either IBM or the end in .gov. With the power of regex, you truly can search for anything. Well, there you have it, our top 3 features in the Remove Duplicates add-on.